Before you say you're broke, check this first. What if I told you that money with your name on it could already be sitting in a government account? Not a loan, not a new grant, not a stimulus check. Money that may already belong to you, but you simply never knew it existed. Every year, billions of dollars become what is called unclaimed property. And here's the question almost nobody asks. What actually happens to that money? Does the government keep it? Does it disappear into the budget? Or is it still waiting for the rightful owner to come forward? Today, we're going to answer those questions. Because if you're struggling to keep up with bills, trying to afford home repairs, or simply wondering where your next financial break might come from, this is something every homeowner and every family should understand. Let's begin. Imagine you move to a new home. A utility company owes you a security deposit, but the refund check gets mailed to your old address. You never receive it, or maybe you changed banks years ago and forgot about a small savings account. Perhaps an insurance company owed you money. Maybe your employer mailed your final paycheck, and it was never cashed. Individually, these amounts might seem small, but multiply that by millions of Americans over many years, and something remarkable happens. Billions of dollars become separated from their owners. So, where does all of that money go? Here's where many people get confused. Contrary to what you may have heard, the money doesn't simply disappear. In most cases, companies are legally required to turn abandoned funds over to the state after a certain period of inactivity. Each state has what's known as an unclaimed property program. The state's job is to act as a custodian, holding the money while continuing to make it available for the rightful owner to claim. That distinction matters. The state doesn't suddenly become the owner of your money just because you forgot about it. The funds remain claimable under state law, and in many states, there is no deadline for the rightful owner to come forward. Now, you may be wondering, if the state has my money, why don't they just send me a check? That's a fair question. The truth is, people move. They change names after marriage, businesses close, addresses become outdated, phone numbers change, records become incomplete. Sometimes, the government simply doesn't have enough current information to locate every rightful owner. That's why millions of dollars remain unclaimed every single year. Here's something else that surprises many people. Unclaimed money doesn't only come from forgotten bank accounts. It can include uncashed payroll checks, insurance payments, utility deposits, stock dividends, court settlements, escrow balances, trust distributions, safe deposit box contents, and even money connected to a deceased relative's estate. That's why experts often recommend searching not only your own name, but previous names, old addresses, family businesses, and, where appropriate, deceased family members whose estates you may be helping settle. Now let's look at a real example. In New York, the state comptroller's office reports that it returns millions of dollars every day to rightful owners through its unclaimed funds program. Yet, billions of dollars are still waiting to be claimed. Think about that for a moment. People are working overtime, taking on debt, postponing repairs, and stressing over bills, while money that already belongs to someone continues waiting in an official account. That doesn't mean everyone watching will discover thousands of dollars. Some people may find nothing. Others might find $20, $200, or much more. The point isn't the amount. The point is, you'll never know unless you take a few minutes to check. But there's something very important you need to remember. Be careful. If someone promises they can unlock hidden government money or asks you to pay upfront fees, run. That should raise a red flag. Searching for unclaimed money through official government sources is generally free. Always begin with trusted websites. such as your state's Unclaimed Property Office, or official federal resources when you're searching for things like tax refunds, unpaid wages, pensions, or other federal funds. Never assume that every advertisement promising free money is legitimate. Always verify the information yourself. So, what should you do today? Start by searching your current name. Then, search any previous names you may have used. Check older addresses. If you've owned a business, search the business name as well. And if you're legally handling the estate of a loved one, see whether unclaimed property may exist in their name. It takes only a few minutes, and it could answer a question you've never thought to ask. Before you tell yourself, I never seem to catch a financial break. Make sure there isn't already something waiting for you. The worst outcome is that you spend a few minutes searching and find nothing. The best outcome is discovering money that was yours all along. Sometimes, the opportunity isn't about finding something new. It's about reclaiming what was never truly lost. If you found this information helpful, subscribe for more videos where we break down government programs, homeowner resources, and practical financial information using official sources, not hype. Because the more you understand how these systems work, the better prepared you'll be to make informed financial decisions for yourself and your family.